Hey, this is Anil Agrawal from marketingautomationfocus.com, and today I'm looking at another app called AIKontent, and content with a K. So what does it do? It actually helps you automate marketing and boost engagement. Now, we know if you're in a business and you're trying to generate traffic to your website or your landing pages, you have a couple of choices. You can run ads or you can have organic traffic. And one of the organic traffic ways is to do social media posting. And hopefully, you are posting some valuable content for your audience to get more traffic and have those people convert to your to become your client and customers. So it's super important to be consistent in your social media posting and deliver consistent value to your audience, your targeted audience. So now, how do you do that? Now, I've used 4 or 5 different similar tools to automate posting. Now, before you can actually automate posting, you have to come up with different posts and schedule it. Now, so how do you do that? Now, first you have to have content, obviously. Now, even if you have content, like I had a few blog posts, and I could use RSS feed, but then if you're not generating more new content, then the RSS feed doesn't do anything because it's not going to show up. It's only going to show up whatever you have today. So maybe you have tons of those, and then you can just simply schedule those, but that's it. But now this tool, and I'm going to give it a try here in a moment for the first time, and I haven't looked at that much, so we'll see how that goes. And so this tool apparently allows you to generate, let's say if I have a blog post, and so I can specify that specific blog post, and it's going to use AI to, which is artificial intelligence and machine learning, to generate multiple posts out of that blog post or maybe related content. We'll see how that goes. And so that is super powerful because then that's a real saving. So once you spend time in generating content, how do you create or repurpose that content into, break it into multiple content pieces out of that one single content, which is blog post in this case. So it does that. And then it has a link shortener of its own. They are going to have, they have a plan to integrate with other link shorteners of your choice, hopefully 2 or 3 well-known ones, other ones. I don't know at this point which one will show up first, but right now they have their own. So basically you connect your social media account just like other tools, and you, let's say, import blog post and let AIKontent extract posts, right? Or you can do manually, you can have your own manual post that you can create inside, and then it helps sharing that content, and you can schedule that, and you can schedule that for up to a year, I believe, and in fact even beyond that. And then the other cool thing about this is that it has media library and millions of free images from Unsplash integration. So let's go inside the account and see how it looks. So I've already created this account and logged in, and you can see that right now I'm just doing a trial for now. So this is good. It allows you to try things out if it's right fit for you. And so that's what I'm doing. And once I connected my Twitter account here, and then you can schedule content. So let's go here, schedule content. This is the first tab after you connect your one of your social media platform, whichever you like, and you can add multiple ones. And if you do create post, it's gonna, this is basically if you were to create manually, which is great, like other tools do too. And you can either post right now, or you can do a specific date and time, right? So let's cancel out of this because I'm not doing that at the moment, which is easy enough if you've used other tools. Now, the campaigns is the one which is, I think I'm so excited about this as a new, something totally new to me. I haven't seen in any other tool yet. So now it says import article. So I'm going to say, okay, so I'm going to go get the URL for one of my blog posts. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I got this one, and let's just import this. So it's saying downloading and analyzing content. It may take a few minutes. Okay, so now it came back with a whole bunch of hashtags. Below will be added to each post to boost your exposure. Now, typically, I wouldn't use too many hashtags. So I think I'm going to get rid of this hashtag. It doesn't make any sense here. This one also doesn't make sense. Autoresponder emails is fine. Email creation, maybe. Templates, because I may have some ads there. So email service providers is fine. This one is not. I think I'm going to use, let's say, hashtag drip, and then hashtag MailChimp, right? Because that blog post talks about that. Now, it says review the images below and delete the ones that you don't want to include in the scheduled post. So you'll have 17 posts in this campaign. If you add 17 images, each post will have its own image. Otherwise, images will be recycled, right? So now let's just see what images it actually has. I don't see yet. Let's just see. So it's got 17. Let's just see. I'm using it for the first time, so this is a good thing. Let's see. So basically, you need to review. I'm not seeing any images here at the moment. So let's see. Add more. So what I can do is, or actually, it just came up with. So I can either upload or I can use Unsplash. So let's just see if I say automation, and so it comes up with a bunch of, I could use this one. So let's just say, well, I could just use like this one. Okay, so let's just close this. So now it seems like that for some reason I can't see these. Well, let's just see review the images below. So it didn't come up with images, but it came back with these 17 posts, and it's going to start from 1st June, and is, I think you can exclude by clicking this link here. And what is this? You can drag and drop this quote to include it on the right position and date. So you could kind of move up and down. You can drag it. So now this could be, right now it's set to almost, it's somewhat random, but in terms of date, like 1st, 2nd, and 4th, and then 8, and then so basically it's creating 17 posts with some random posting schedule, which is fine. So I need to find out. I guess it didn't pull any images, but it actually created. So it's not too bad, because if you have a bunch of images, because my blog post didn't really have much images in the blog post, in my blog itself. So I think this right now looks really good to me. I mean, even having these 17 posts is really a big time saver. Okay, and let's just see. Click on this draft. Okay, create a post. So if you're not ready, you can create posts just like manual. Let me just double check here. Okay, the same way like we had on the calendar. And media is whatever media you have either uploaded or you added through Unsplash, right? So an analytics area will give you analytics once you start posting. So I think I'm really excited about this, and it looks very powerful to me. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and uh, get this and get my social media posting again. It's been a while I've done that. So talk to you guys later.